Hello everyone. In this video we will look at the new fastening command in the ENCY Hyper application. First, let's create a cell in the Machine Maker application here. We will add a robot using the online mechanism library. And we will also add the corresponding tool with which our robot will drive the fasteners into the parts. We can also add such a table. Once we have prepared our cell, we send it to the ENCY Hyper application. Here we will add a point so that we can add our part. We will import the part separately. It will be a fan for a complete demonstration. What this means is that the first group is needed to place points across the entire surface of the part we choose. Change the direction we need. In this case, it's minus normal. To confirm this, we click the Commit button. Each line it selects a sketch. Also, commit the next one. Here we have the option to manually draw a sketch. We can also delete the last point and close the contour, if necessary. If we are satisfied with this sketch, we click Apply and add the last offset. Here we can edit the step just like in all other tabs, adjusting the distance of the offset from the edge. We click Commit, and here we click Apply. We have 4 groups, and we add the part to our table. We go to the Programming tab and add the Fastening command. That is, without creating groups of points, select a part of the detail and edit this part here as well. We also set the steps and the number of points. Here we can export DXF files. In this case, we select the groups we created and see that visually our groups are displayed here. We can select them. For example, let's choose by the sketch line. click Close, recalculate the program. The trajectory has been drawn. After that, we can start the simulation and check how our robot will drive the fasteners. After the robot takes its trajectory, we will see a visual representation of the fastener being driven in, and it continues along its trajectory. However, we see how the fasteners are displayed along this line. Created manually, that is, along this trajectory. To do this, we need to reselect our group and recalculate the project. After that, we can start the simulation and check how the robot will insert the fasteners based on this sketch. That's all from me. Thank you all for watching.